it is. It is.
Hi, it's Tala Smith here, and this is my world. Well, my name is Tala Smith with an F. I'm a part-time model and also a musician. I'm a singer, and I'm also a great actress. When she was born, I thought she was 7 years old. She's a real big baby. You know, she could pretty much walk and she's got hair on her face. And everyone knew I was going to be a big star, right from day one. And so, it was hard for me to walk around because all the guys, want to talk to me and chat me up. Really, really like her guys. And she did get in a bit of trouble.
The minister, he ring me up, he say, please tell your niece not to, harass the boys in the youth.
That's why the village got together and supported me and with my whole journey to coming to Aotearoa.
The whole village put in money to send her away.
They want me to go out and explore the world because they know that I would make this world a better place. Come on, Faye, keep up with me, Faye. Come on, Faye.
Yeah, when she first came from Samoa, she came and lived with us.
When she was born, she looked really, what's the word, ugly?
She's given me lots and lots of advice, but a lot of it hasn't been good. It hasn't been good for my confidence.
I want to show her she can still be beautiful inside, but just don't look in the mirror as often as most people.
So I've had to go to court to put a restraining order on her.
She needs her own space, so I said, hey, you should go and ring the police. I said, ring the police now and make a restraining order, because when she talks, it's like she's straining. And I don't like her to strain too much. I've always been a star. My dancing, my acting, especially my singing, I'm a really good singer. Like, see, listen, I believe I can fly. I believe I can charge the sky. I can sing opera. I can sing the whole lot. I can sing hip hop. No, this is my sanctuary. This is where I can meditate and write songs. These are all plants that I planted myself. Back over there, just some taro. I wish I knew how to plant corn beef, but I don't have the seeds for that. This pohutukawa tree. This one here is the leafy. And this one here, when I sit down on the grass, it's like a gracias. Over here, just hello in Mexico. Yeah, now I'm starting a new chai. It's called Have Your Cake and Eat It Too. And the reason why I've got sushi here as well is because the carbohydrates from the sushi actually help neutralize the sugars from the cake. The Heart Foundation's got 4 ticks on this cake. It's got low-fat jam and no sugar cream. And this part here, only 2 calories. Yeah, if you look at it. But when you eat it, it's 1,000 calories. And if you want to do entertainment, then, I don't know, if you haven't got the talent, then don't try it. Yeah. But if you have a dream, then just dream it. Close your eyes and go to sleep. That's the only way you can dream. Because if you wake up, then there's no more dream, it's finished.